Lapierre, and I'm with Lapierre Equipment here at Winding Road Maple Products in Elmira, Ontario. I'm here to talk to you about our reverse slope extractor. This one here is a vertical double reverse slope extractor, Bernard model. We make different size of those reverse slope extractor, whether in Bernard or in Lapierre. This particular machine here is a 12 by 18 double canister. We make a size bigger than that. We go up to 20-inch, 48-inch long reverse slope. The amount of maximum taps you can put on an extractor like that depends a lot about the size of the outlet pipe, the distance you have to go from here to the other extractor, because this outlet pipe here is hooked to the back of another extractor because the outlet pipe needs to be under vacuum. The height you can obtain with a machine like that, measured from the bottom of the canister, is about 15 feet at 20 inches of vacuum, and let's say 20 feet at 25 inches. You need to feed that from an independent vacuum feed, and then you hook the outlet to an extractor. The outlet needs to be straight up in the air, and from there you go down with a nice and even slope. This here is just a setup for a demo, but usually you would have your outlet straight up, and then you would have a nice and even slope going down to the other extractor. That one is sitting here. Should be at the sugar bush. So depending on the outlet size, the length of the outlet, and the height, it will accommodate between 1,000 and a couple thousand taps on that size. So for further, for precise sizing of the outlet pipe and the distance, just call one of our representatives, and he's going to have the pleasure to recommend you size, height, and size of extractor. This here is only powered by vacuum, so you don't need to have any electricity or gas. It will replace a gas power or an electric powered pump if you don't have it. We have different model of reverse slope extractor. We have the smaller Sap Lift that will accommodate up to 500 taps, and we have the Bernard Sap tank reverse slope. It's only a pipe with a float that you put inside the tank. You hook the outlet of that pipe to another extractor, and once the sap level is high enough, it will release the trap so that the sap will get sucked in to the other extractor. Yet again, it's the same idea, the same principle. It will lift, in theory, about 1 foot per inches of mercury of vacuum you have. But we rate them at 15 foot for 20 inches of mercury in order to keep a small safety margin. Hi, we're here again with a small Lapierre Sap Lift. This one I talked about earlier is rated for 500 taps. Still again, it's good for 15 feet at 20 inches of mercury and 20 feet at 25 inches of mercury. The way it works is very simple. Once the sap comes in, it raise the float, release the system, let air go in. The air will push the sap up to the outlet pipe. The outlet pipe needs to be hooked up to another extractor or a booster tank or whatever system under vacuum. It's the differential of vacuum that makes the sap go up. So since air comes in, we have no more vacuum inside the canister. So since the outlet is under vacuum, the sap will go up. Very simple, reliable. You can put it directly in the bush. You hook it to a tree. The best way those things works is if you make some kind of an oxygen tent with a polyethylene tarp over it, so it makes some kind of a greenhouse, so that it will unfreeze faster than the pipes, so it will be ready to work once the sap starts flowing. This one is rigged with an auto drain outlet that works under vacuum, so when there's no more vacuum, it will drain by itself at night. So it works pretty good, easy to install, very reliable.